Guys, welcome to Brookhaven, and him explore Lake Madison. Okay, let's him go to clothing store and get clothes. Ok, let's play. Okay, let's get a cloth. Is USA flag. Not one. This one, it looks like better. Okay. Let's head to grocery store, cause I want buy some food in Lake Madison. So I buy foods. And let's park here and going leave from car because I want exploring. Cause I will get to inside in grocery store. And I come into the front. I grab a grocery cart on right. Let's shopping. Let's buy Coke and water. So I buy milk and ice cream. I buy apples. Okay, placard grocery cart here. Price is $10,000. We're now here. I place a car roof here. Also, I place tent here because it's cozy. Look, a friend is get a prop box. I place a car here. So, I place lights here because it's during camping. A camping is beautiful, right? But actually, yes, I right. A camping is beautiful. Look, that's my friend, is Voldex. Friend, what? But yes, in January 29th, 2026, the abandoned house is prepared to scrapped. Friend said, "You want a house? Ok, let's go." Oh no, we're teleport here. I want go to camp. He said, "Bye." Nah, I can't buy anymore. I want to camp. So, I delete a house. Robber cannot rob a house. Okay, let's back to the camp because I want get explore. Now, we're here. Let's sleep. Him also wake up. Time is fishing. What is this, subscriber award? Oh no, this is really weird. I don't even tool at never seen before. Okay, it's time to fishing. And guys, the Lake Madison is ice. And guys, this is really weird. I can't add water here. Okay, let's go fishing. Okay, fish is here. Wait, what is this? That's secret food. And guys, a food is really weird and secret food at never seen before. And guys, let's back to the camp. Okay, let's cook a bread and burger. Okay, I put out a fire. We need get fire extinguisher. A cook is finished. Okay, let's eat. So hungry. Now, I'm done. Okay, it's time to sleep.
If you add on Roblox, click a member button. If you add you on Roblox,